Did it say 12 items? Sometimes we run into some crazy batches. Ready? I had to get this. Look at Bella. Yo! Yo! How much was this?
$33.
33. Oh gosh, she bugging.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts.
What is going on, family? So I'm chilling in the car right now and I got an order to go do Instacart, so I got to make this really quick before I start this batch. All right, so we're here outside of Wegmans. I'm doing Instacart. I've already made about 100 and some bucks today, but I started at like a little after noon, so and it's 3 o'clock, so that's only three hours and we've already made over 100 bucks. We're gonna touch up with Bella, who's doing orders right now as well. And yeah, guys, it's about to get juicy. Like, we're gonna have some fun. Like, listen, I'm gonna show y'all how to make that. I'm gonna show y'all how to make that coin. All right, so I just delivered my batch and I was just talking to Bella, right? And she got a batch, but her phone was dying. So these are some of the things that can happen when you out here grinding, you out here getting it batch for batch for batch for batch. Your phone could die. Like, Bella's phone is dead. And she's in this store somewhere. So let's find her. Let's I'm trying to be discreet with the camera because they're really weird about having the cameras in the grocery store. For some reason, they're so weird about that. So I'm gonna try to be discreet with the camera, but let's see if we can find Bella. There she is. Did you write it down? What'd you get? What'd you get? You look at this. There's the list.
Sausage.
She wrote it down. Oh my God.
Gonna die.
Gonna or did? All right, so she wrote down the order because her phone is at 7%, but we have enough time to scan. Meanwhile, I should be looking for batches too. We got two phones working, her phone and my phone. I'm looking for batches. She's doing a batch.
That's how you
And, huh?
That's how
You almost done?
I'm done.
She's done. She's done with the whole order that fast. Quick. Even though that's little, that ain't a lot.
It's 11 cents.
This is so easy right here. Was it a good number? How much was it?
22 bucks.
22 bucks for 11 items. She crushed it. Her phone about to die, so she's scanning as fast as she possibly can right there. That's one of the biggest keys too, is to be able to know your store, because if you know your store, you could do what Bella did here. Find all the orders really quick. 3%. Let's go. 3%. Hurry up. We got it here. Go, go, go. Quick. Her phone's gonna die. She's gonna check out. She has to check out when her phone's about to die. And there's a line. Good luck. So she took the smooth move here. I'm gonna call this the smooth move because she's doing self checkout. Self checkout. No. So she doesn't have to wait in that long line over there. All right, hold on. Before I tell you the bad news, this double bad news. You guys seen that Bella's phone died and we still got this stuff done. But before I get to my bad news, so there's ways that you see what we did to kind of counteract the phone dying, so you guys can use some of those strategies. One of them being, she wrote down the order. When she noticed she had a low battery, she wrote down the order. A second strategy being, if you got a friend, have them take a picture of the order, all the items, and then you charge your phone while your phone is charging. You use their phone to find the items in the store because you took pictures on their phone of the items. And the third strategy would be, just know the daggone store. You gotta know know your store, so you can. If you don't know the store, if you don't know your store, you're pretty much screwed. Now you ain't always screwed, but it'll be easy if you know the store.
Dang, a 45, 75 items.
Wait, I just swiped a what?
A $45 batch for 75 items.
Yo, I just swiped a $45 batch. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Look at this. 112 units for $45. This is gonna be bad. I'm waiting for Bella to hurry up and get back so she can help me with this batch. Oh man, 75 items. I don't feel like doing this. It's a single batch, but I'm treating it like a double because you see it's a ton of stuff. Follow me, I gotta get some wine. I'm gonna leave that there.
Time together.
I need your help. She saves me all the time. Make friends in the store because they help a lot. All right, so we're looking for. I know what this one is. Okay. See, look at all this wine. The wine is crazy.
Ridiculous.
All right, and we got one more. Is that right here too?
We don't have that. We're out of stock.
You are in stock of this?
Yeah.
Okay, so there it is. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? You don't want to bug them, but they will help when you need it, especially in this.
Swan always needs it.
No, you always need it. Back to the cart. That's that. Watch how fast I move real quick. I'm the fastest shopper. I'm the fastest shopper.
You know,
I'm the
fastest
fastest
shopper. If my knee wasn't busted, I'd be faster than you.
Ooh, not on my own. I know that I'll never be too far from home. Too far from home. There's no place I can go to be too far alone. You never leave me. I live from NCT. This I'm not the B team. You are the peace I know.
Quick, let's go.
When I'm feeling alone, no other place I go. Just keep leading me home. You are the peace I know. And I'm never too far gone.
That's why you gotta know your store. All right, so we're out of here because Bella gotta find a batch.
I gotta go charge your phone.
You gotta go charge your phone, yeah, because it's not all the way charged. But yeah, we're on a mission here. 2 carts, 75 items. I got a lot to go. See you guys in a little bit. And there it is. We're done. We're done. We're done. Just to give you guys a glimpse of how fast we moving in here, I'm gonna go back into the app just so you can see how fast we moving. Ready? Look at that. Can you see that time? Yeah, I don't know if you can see that time. I don't know if that's gonna focus, but it says it was supposed to take 54 minutes and we finished it. That says 38 minutes. But mind you, I went back into it to open up the time again just so you can see it. You know, so that's pretty fast. Know your cashiers. If you got the luxury to know your cashiers, this is my boy. He's quick. He's quick. So we like to look for the fastest cashiers, get us in and out. Yeah, we chilling. This is my boy. What's up, brother? That's my boy.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
Okay. So we're back home. We're done with the day. Actually, it's the second day. So we made money today and yesterday. We didn't even get close to making what we usually make because the filming and we're helping other people make, you know, cross that $2,000 mark barrier. So there's a lot of time being taken away from us actually doing Instacart. But however, now I'm going to take you to a better week, right? Let's go just a couple weeks ago. So 2,000 in a week. Here are the numbers. You guys can see this right here. $2,004 in a week. We was hitting consistent $2,000 weeks. Where is that? Right here. So we got 2,000, 2,100, 2,000, 2,000, 2,292. You know, so we got a bunch of $2,000 weeks, right? And then she never hit 2,000. She never hit 2,000 until she learned the strategies that I showed her, which is now what we show people, and they're hitting, 2K plus a week. And, you know, definitely on the low end, you should definitely be hitting $1,400 a week with Instacart easily. That's like an average. Like that's like the entry, right? So if you're working every day. Yeah, if you're working every day, from what we show you, you should be hitting at least $1,400 a week, if not high, close to $2,000, if not above $2,000 per week. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Oh, stay tuned for the giveaways. From now on, make sure you watch the entire, listen, if you're subscribed here, if you're watching the videos, if you're getting the notifications when we upload, you better pay attention because we're going to start giving away money. All right, Bella.
We're going to start giving away money and knowledge.
Money and knowledge, right? I like the money, but knowledge is just as important. No, if not more important. But we're going to be giving away money, you right? So just because you guys are here showing love and we want to show love back, what we're going to be doing is like randomly just, You know, download Venmo so you can receive the money if you win it. And the only way you're gonna know is gonna be periodically throughout the video. So just, yeah, be here, be square, and you know what's up. Make sure you follow along. Yeah, we out. Yeah, that's it. That's it, family. We back. We out. I'll see y'all later. I'm done talking.